Factsverse presents 15 Parents You Won't Believe Exist. Number 1. Barbara and Kenny Atkinson kept their daughter locked in a closet for over 5 years. They would not let her eat and used her as their own personal sex slave to do whatever they wanted. They raped and tortured her and generally just made her life miserable because she was being used by these pedophile parents. Number 2. Susan Smith may be the most hated mom in all of America. She drove her 2 sons into a lake because she wanted them to be dead so that she could be with her wealthy lover. She was sentenced to life in prison for killing both of her sons because she willfully strapped them in and pushed the vehicle into the lake. Number 3. Joey and Chad Mudd gave their 2 small daughters drugs in exchange for them going to school and doing other different kinds of chores. They eventually admitted to both smoking and snorting cocaine with their very young daughters in a chance to try to get them to do what they wanted them to do. They were convicted on abuse and negligence charges. Number 4. Megan Huntsman. This woman strangled 6 of her children. After they died, she kept them hidden away in her home in plastic bags. She said that she had killed the children because she was addicted to meth and did not think that she could raise the children. They ended up finding 7 dead babies in her home, including one that was stillborn. The final count was that there were 5 girls and 2 boys altogether. Number 5. Kenesha Berry killed her 4-year-old son by duct-taping his mouth and body up and leaving him in a trash bag in a dumpster. She also almost killed one of her other children by leaving him exposed to the elements. This newborn baby was brought to the hospital covered in fire ant bites, which caused him to have a seizure, but he eventually recovered from these injuries. Number 6. China Arnold killed her daughter by placing her in the microwave until she died. She said that she did it because she was drunk and having a fight with her boyfriend about who the baby's real father was. This resulted in the baby being put into the microwave, and later baby Paris died from that encounter. Number 7. Ashley Jessup was caught videotaping herself doing sexual things, including sex with her 10-month-old son. She was sentenced to life in prison for this. She will have no chance for parole because of this. She was caught by one of her boyfriend's ex-girlfriends because she sent him the video of herself performing oral sex on the baby and having the child feel her genitals. The ex-girlfriend saw the video of this on his computer and called the police immediately. The boyfriend also served time. Number 8. Greg J. Kleinmark is facing 10 years in prison for involuntary manslaughter. While he was giving his 2 10-month-old children baths, he decided that it would be okay for him to leave them unattended for half an hour to go play video games on his Game Boy Advance. This led to both children drowning. Number 9. Delina Nichols allowed her 6-year-old daughter to be molested